Hello everyone, I'm Vidya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the inspiring journey of Pallavi, a woman who spent more than 20 years as a teacher, dedicating her life to educating and shaping young minds. But sometimes life takes unexpected turns, and she had to suddenly step away from her career. Instead of stopping, Pallavi chose to start again. She followed her passion and transformed it into a beautiful journey of creativity and independence. Today, she creates handmade mirrors, photo frames, paint art, 3D stickers, mugs, and tumblers, each piece reflecting her talent and hard work. Through her journey, she also shares a meaningful insight into the difference between being a working woman and a businesswoman and why being independent truly matters. Let's meet Pallavi and know her story in her own voice.
Hello, my name is Pallavi. My company name is BO Blink. We started this business around 2.5 years back. What inspired to start this business is like I was in a teaching profession from past 20 plus years. Then suddenly I had to quit my job. Then I thought, okay, let me start something which is my passion. I started with a very small investment with enamel charms and bracelet. Then I expanded my business. Now I'm making this type of mirrors which is completely handmade. This has different elements and this has a spinner. You can see there are minute work done in this mirror. Then we have included many other products like this, a photo frame, then the pens here and the mug which is 3D stickers. These products can be washed and reused. And we also have this tumbler with the spinner. See, generally nowadays we can see that some of the women they are working and then managing. In workplace, what happens is it will be too much of work pressure for us. But when we do the business, it will be on our time. So it will be flexible for us to do the work. Yeah, it was like initially it was very difficult to cope up with the family, which is totally new thing for me. As I initially said, I was in a teaching industry, teaching profession, and this industry is totally two new things. I had to understand the mindset of the people when they come as a customer. I always used to go as a customer. Now I'm looking in the other way around. So they are coming, customers are coming to my place. Now I stood for myself. That's what I can say. Everybody said, no, you cannot do this, you can stop, will not guide you, will not encourage you. I said, that's okay. But one time I thought, no, I need to take a stand for myself. That's how I overcome it. See, while I was working, I used to manage the family and the work that the same thing continue. Now able to give more time to my family because some of the products, as I showed, these I make it at home. So when I make it at home, I'll be in the home taking care of them. And I will also like to give a small advice to the people who would like to start their own business. Is start, stand on your leg, go ahead. Don't think what the other person is telling about you. You need to hold your hands. There are always people who pulls you down. You need to give stand for yourself. And what I would also say that what motivates me to do continue this business is I like the artwork I used to do from very young age. I was doing some of the other artwork. Now this artwork has converted, the passion has converted to business. That's what it is. Continuing to do this, and I would also like to have the legacy of the business of my business. That is what my dream is. One line message for the women who want to become independent is irrespective of your financial status, you can always be independent. You can earn little much, very little, and be independent. You need not ask somebody else for the small basic needs also. That's what I would like to say. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Pallavi's journey is a powerful reminder that every ending can become a new beginning. From a dedicated teacher to a confident entrepreneur, she showed us that passion, when following with courage can turn into a successful business. Her message to every woman is clear: believe in yourself, stand on your own feet, and never depend on anyone for your basic need. That's the story of Pallavi. If you like her story, don't forget to support and appreciate such a hardworking woman around us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.